In primetime news this evening, no delay. Discussions continue to bring home more stranded Jamaicans. Failing grade. Some bars in St. James not meeting standards to reopen. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News. We're both on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. We also have the financial week, news from overseas, our bite of the week, sports commentary, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Our question this evening, we're asking, what are your thoughts on efforts to bring home Jamaicans who are stranded abroad?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Please stay tuned. Primetime News returns right after this break.